Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Place 6 large eggs in a single layer in a saucepan and cover with cold water by 1 inch. Add a pinch of salt to reduce cracking. Bring to a rolling boil, then reduce to medium-low and simmer 10 to 12 minutes for firm yolks. Immediately transfer eggs to an ice bath and cool for 5 minutes to stop cooking and make peeling easier. Gently tap and roll each egg to peel. Rinse shells off and pat the peeled eggs dry before chopping for the salad. Chop the eggs coarsely into bite-sized pieces and place them in a medium bowl with 1/4 cup mayonnaise for a creamy base. Add 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard for tang, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Adjust to taste. Fold in 2 tablespoons chopped celery and 1 tablespoon chopped red onion for crunch and mild bite. Mix gently to keep some yolk texture. Taste and add a squeeze of lemon or 1/2 teaspoons sugar. If you prefer serve the egg salad on toast, in a sandwich, or on a bed of lettuce. This recipe yields about 4 servings. Garnish with paprika, chopped chives, or a few cornichons for added flavor and presentation. Refrigerate the egg salad within 2 hours and store in an airtight container to maintain safety and texture. Use within 3 to 4 days and discard if it smells off, develops sliminess, or the texture changes. For pourability, pack in a cooler with ice packs for up to 4 hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.